Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file taxes step by step. Begin by organizing documents and choosing software or a professional, then verify personal details exactly. Enter wage forms like W-2 and Form 1099 carefully and track deductible expenses clearly. Review deductions such as mortgage interest, charitable gifts, and medical costs. Double-check calculations, sign electronically or print, and prepare to submit with confidence and a record for your files. Open your chosen filing tool and complete the main return step by step, following prompts for each income type. Input W-2 amounts and attach Form 1099 entries accurately, then list deductions and credits that reduce tax owed. Use worksheet prompts for self-employment or rental income and calculate estimated taxes if needed. Review each section for missing fields, resolve any errors flagged by the software, and save progress, often to avoid losing changes. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support concise tax walkthroughs. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is perfect for hands-free timers, reminders, and playing focus music while you gather forms, making filing less stressful. It fits neatly on a desk and helps keep you on schedule. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After finalizing numbers, decide how to settle any balance due or receive a refund. Pick direct deposit for speedy refunds and confirm bank details twice to prevent delays. If you owe, consider online payment options or arrange a payment plan with the tax agency to avoid penalties. Keep documentation of payments and refunds and adjust withholding or estimated payments for next year to prevent large surprises at filing time.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.